How does one crack a full-time job here? Are you paying any tuition fees? And in how many universities you applied? What is your area of interest? Have you met somebody who has graduated in this course? What's your last message for all the architecture students? What is your strategy? Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh. I am sitting here with my friend. What's your name?
Shivani.
Shivani is currently studying her masters in
Architecture and Cultural Heritage.
yeah, from Hochschule Anhalt in Dessau campus. In fact, for this university is quite known for its architecture department.
Yeah.
And there's one more close to Erfurt, Wismar. Wismar
the
also has a
Wismar is
Bauhaus,
also-
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we will talk about her course and her background and what's going on in the industry currently in the world of architecture here in Germany. So can we start with your quick introduction? Like, tell us a bit about what have you studied in India? Since how long are you here now? All of that.
So in India, I did my bachelor's in architecture in Dinbandhu University. So I graduated in 2022, and just after my graduation, I came to Germany, and in Germany, I am doing masters in architecture and cultural heritage. So the course is basically you have so many options with subjects you want to take. So you can make your major subject like sustainable architecture, or you want to go into the urbanism, then you can choose the urbanism optional subjects. It's up to you. The course has wide range of options in which direction you want to go in architecture.
What was your bachelor's score?
According to Germany, it was like 1.9.
Ah, wow. In CGPA, would that would be?
It was like 8.0.
8.0.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And in how many universities you applied?
For masters, I applied in like 4 or 5 of universities. So one was the Frankfurt one, Bauhaus Weimar, BTU, Owl University.
Right. If I'm an architecture bachelor student, right, what options can I apply in masters here in Germany?
Actually, the Germany has a wide range of courses for architecture. If you want to go into the energy efficiency or like urbanism, then the Frankfurt University is the best one. And then in BTU University, it's good for urban design. But the thing was, the course was giving dual degree program, so you had to go to different countries for the degree. So it was kind of hard. That's why I didn't go there.
How is the job situation right now in 2024, 2025?
To be honest, if you know German, the job situation is really good because, as I have been noticed or so, that the architects, okay, in the first 1 year or 2 years, you will be not paid as much as you want to, but after that, there is a boom in the industry. And if you are interested in conservation, then I guess Germany is the best option for you. And also, the energy efficiency field is growing in Germany. So.
Okay. Have you met somebody who has graduated in this course and working currently?
Actually, I haven't met, but I know some people who are working already. And the common thing which I found out was they all knew German. I guess for architecture, you should know German.
So, beside knowing German, what are the top 3 skills in terms of technical skills or tools you would want to highlight that one should know?
Technical tools you must know here, like the AutoCAD which we did in India is here not much used because here people use ArchiCAD, Revit, or there is this software HotCAD which is based on energy efficiency. So these are the softwares which they most use here.
I've also seen people going towards BIM.
Yeah, because that is what I said. Revit and ArchiCAD offer BIM,
Okay.
and the HotCAD itself is BIM. So.
Okay, okay. And what is your area of interest once you graduate?
To be honest, I want to go into energy efficiency, and because I know the BIM softwares, I know Architect, I know Revit, and I like this area of expertise more than in architecture because I feel like it's more growth. It has more growth.
How is the pay scale? Like, for example, you're a fresher, right? You graduated in India and you just came directly.
No, I actually gained some experience in architecture for about like I graduated in June or so, and then I directly started a job. So for about 10 months I worked, and then I directly came here.
And you were working as?
An architect.
What were you working on? What project was that?
What was I doing?
Yeah, what were you doing?
The thing I was doing was basically going to the site visits, making plans, and then 3D models. That is what I was doing.
And when you look at, for yourself, I'm asking, when you look at the job market right now, what is your strategy like? How does one crack a full-time job here? Because there's no campus placement, there is no no
Yeah.
reputational based universities where employers are hiring you.
Yeah. So the one thing I will say, when you come to Germany, just be ready for the rejections. Be persistent. Just keep applying. Don't take rejection as that you couldn't do it on yourself. Maybe it was not right for you, and you will get an offer which is better than that. So
Are you
just
paying any tuition fees to study?
yeah, I am
How much?
actually a lot. So in the beginning, my course fees was like 840 euros, but from this semester they added the semester ticket, so now I paid like this semester 1040 euros or so.
1040 euros per semester.
Yeah. So for the upcoming Hochschule Anhalt student, they have to pay 1040 euros.
Oh wow, okay, I didn't know about this. Okay. And so technically you're paying what, 4,000 euros by the
Yeah.
time you graduate?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What about cost of living?
The cost of living is, to be honest, if you have a part-time job, it not so much because in the south you will find good apartment for cheap price. Not the cheap price, like in 300 euros you will have a good place to stay, and for 100 euros you can buy your groceries 150. So I will say like 700 euros or 750 euros you need.
What's your last message for all the architecture students who are watching you and are planning also to come and do masters here?
The thing I will say is, for the upcoming architect student, they should research first and they should really go into that course which they really want to, because after coming here you have to go straight into the direction. So if you are not sure about that this course you want to do, then I don't think there is a point of doing. And see your skill, develop softwares, the German ones which they use, develop your vocabulary in architecture for German. So only these things will make it easier for you.